Today, you will learn what's the difference between much and many in English and how to use them correctly. If you have ever been confused about when to use these two words, much and many, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using much and many correctly. Let's dive in. Okay, here's the simple rule. Much means a large amount and is used for things you can't count. Much means a large amount and is used for things you can't count. You can't count. Many, on the other hand, many means a large number. A large number and is used for things you can count. Let me tell you again. Much means a large amount and is used for the things you can't count. Good? Many, on the other hand, many means a large number and is used for things you can count. Got it? Let's break it down. Let's talk about much first. Much is used for uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the things you can't count individually. Let me tell you again. Uncountable nouns are the things you can't count individually. Okay? So much, we only use much with uncountable nouns. For example, uncountable nouns, water. You can't say one water, two water because you can't count water. You can't count water. You can count the water, right? And then the next one, rice. You can count rice one by one, but it's not really easy. You can count each grain easily. That's why rice, they consider rice as an uncountable noun. So rice is an uncountable noun. And many, you can't say one many, two many. We count many with a unit, like 1,000, 2,000, $1, $2. But nobody says one many, too many, because we can count many like that. So we use much only with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. So if you want to say a large amount of water, you can say much water. If you want to say a large amount of rice, you can say much rice. If you want to say a large amount of coffee, you can say much coffee. Okay, so you would say, how much water do you drink every day? How much water do you drink every day? That's the questions, right? We can't say how many water do you drink every day because we can't use many with water. So we only use with much. How much water do you drink every day? The next one is, I don't have much time right now. I don't have much time right now. Time, we can count time. We can count time. We only count with minute and seconds. You know that. Okay. So, but the word time is an uncountable noun. So, if you want to say, I don't have a lot of time, you can say, I don't have much time right now. I don't have much time right now. That means you have a very little times. That means you don't have much time. Okay? See, easy, right? Now, it's time to talk about many. Many is used for countable nouns. Things you can count easily. Countable nouns are the things you can count easily. For example, apples. You can say one apple, two apples, three apples. You can count apples. So if you want to say a large number of apples, you can say many apples. And books, you can say 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 45 books. So a book is a countable noun. And then cars. You can say 1 car, 2 cars. So a car is a countable noun. Got it? Great. So we use many only with countable nouns. So you would say, how many apples do you want? How many apples? We use many because apples, an apple is a countable noun. There are many books on the shelf. So that means there are a large number of books on the shelf. So we use many with books because a book is a countable noun. Got it? The common mistakes when we use much and many. And these are the mistakes that many students do when they speak English. But that's okay. Let's talk about it. A lot of people say things like, how many do you want? We can say, how many do you have? Do you want? We can say that because many is an uncountable noun, so we can use with many. We need to use much. So how much money do you want? Like that. And then the next one is, how much cars are they? We can say we can use much with cars because much is only for uncountable nouns. A car is a countable noun, so we can say that. So we need to say, how many cars are there? But now you know better. Remember, we use much with uncountable nouns. We use many with countable nouns. Okay, practice makes perfect. So just keep practice. Just answer these questions and you will be a pro at using many and much. Okay, so let's test your knowledge. So fill in the blanks with much and many. Number 1, how blank sugar do you need for the recipe? Number 2, how blank students are in your class? Number 3, I don't have blank time today. Okay, think about it. Much, many. Only 3 simple questions. Okay, you got it? So here's the answer. How much sugar do you need for the recipe? We use much because sugar is an uncountable noun. Number 2, how many students are in your class? Students, we can count 1 student, 2 students. So students are uncountable nouns. Sorry, students are countable nouns. Number 3, I don't have much time today. We use much because time is an uncountable noun. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. Much means a large amount and is used for uncountable noun. Many means a large number and it's used for countable noun. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more easy English lesson like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.